How to add users to Meta Business Suite account. In order to do so, you may follow up these methods. So head over to Facebook Meta Business Suite, which is business.facebook.com. Go ahead and open up the link. Once you are there, you should be finding this. Now from here, what you can do is, on the left side of the screen, you should be finding a menu. Go ahead and click on the menu and go to settings. Settings from the menu. Click on it. And once you open up settings, you should be finding this. So all you gotta do is, at the very first, it will directly select users. If not, you can select users and go to people. And after going over this interface, you may click on invite people at the top. Just click on it, and all you gotta do is follow the on-screen prompts. So you need to follow and complete this 4-step process. The first thing is you need to enter up your email address. Just go ahead and enter up the email address of the person that you would like to invite on your Meta Business Suite. Just go ahead and type in, and then you may follow another process. So turn it on. You may just go ahead and turn it on and add up an expiration date as well, like for the invitation link when you want it to expire, and click on next. Once that is done, here the next step is you need to give partial access or full access. You can select up if you want to give how much access to that person in your base. So go ahead and do that and click on next. And the last section is in which bases you would like to give access to. For example, I have 2 bases. If you want to give it to only one, you can select this. And you can also select like which access you can give. For example, insights, content, community activity, and different options. After that, go ahead and turn it on and click on next. Once that is done, you will be finding this review invitation. So go ahead and review it before sending an invitation if you would like. And once that is done, click on send invitation, and the invitation will be sent. All it has to be is the user has to accept the request, and the user will be added to your Facebook Meta Business Suite like this. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.